In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to export a KML file for an individual territory. And this will allow you to then import that KML file into a Google Mind Map, a Scribble map, or even Tableau, where you can do some further analysis. So let's zoom into a territory here. We'll zoom into this Albuquerque territory, and then we'll right-click on it and select the Export option here from the radial tool. And now you simply click on the KML Export button here, and we can choose the export accounts and reps. So let's click on OK. And now we save that export onto our desktop and click Save. Now we simply open up a Google My Map where we can import this file. So here you can see my Google My Map account, and I'll click here on Create New Map. And now you click here on the Import button, and now we click here to select the file that we've just created. You click that KML file and click on Open. And right away, you can see that individual territory that we just exported from AlignMix. And there you go. You just learned how to do a single territory KML export.